data handling. Let us summarize the definition done in the previous classes. First is data. So what is data? Data is a collection of numerical fact about a specific kind of information is called data. Here each numerical fact is called an observation. Data can be organized as raw data. The first hand information of observation is called raw data or ungrouped data. Means जैसा हमने collect किया उसी form में है, that is raw data. Next is group data. When the large amount of information collected in summarized into different classes is known as group data. Next is range. It is the difference between the highest and the lowest observation of the data. It gives us an idea of the spread of observation. Range equals to highest observation minus lowest observation. The same data can be further be arranged in the tabular form, that is tally marks. The number of times the particular observation occurs, that is known as frequency. Statistics is a subject that deals with the collection, presentation, analysis and interpretation of numerical data. First is mean. First, we will read about the mean of ungrouped data. In our daily life, we often use the word mean or the average. Suppose we say the average monthly income of the auto rickshaw driver is rupees 3000. What does it mean? It does not mean that it earns exactly rupees 3000 per month. It means he earns nearly about 3000 per month. In 1 month, he might have earned rupees 3500 and in other he might have earned rupees 2500. In other words, the mean or the average represent the central value. The arithmetic mean or the simply mean is of given data as calculated by dividing the sum of all observation by the total number of observation. So mean equals to होता है sum of observation divided by the total number of observation. Next is note to remember. Mean always lies between the greatest and smallest observation of data. उसके बीच ही होगा mean. Now we'll take an example. Find the mean of the first 8 natural number. So we have to find the mean of first natural number. What are the first 8 natural number? That is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8. So sum of these numbers, that is 36. So now we will find out the mean. So mean equals to हो जाएगा sum of number divided by number of given natural numbers. So that is 8. Because we have to find out the mean of first 8 natural numbers. So 8 से divide करेंगे, 36 divided by 8, that is 4.5. So mean of first 8 natural number is 4.5. Clear? Next is mean of group or tabulated data. Let the frequency of an observation x1, x2, x3, x4 and so on till xn be f1, f2, f3, f4, fn respectively. Then mean क्या हो जाएगा? f1 x1, f2 x2, f3 x3 like this till fn xn divided by जो frequency होगी f1 plus f2 till fn. So इसको एक साथ में कैसे लिखेंगे? सिग्मा एफ आई एक्स आई अपॉन सिग्मा एफ आई. लिमिट क्या हो जाएगी? 1 to n और इसको हम लिखेंगे सिग्मा एफ आई एक्स आई. लिमिट हो जाएगी i to n डिवाइडेड बाय सिग्मा एफ आई. दिस इज साइन फॉर सिग्मा. क्लियर? Where sigma is called the sum of all term of summation, it is a Greek word. Now we'll take an example. The following table show the marks of 40 students out of 25 in the mathematics class test. Here these are the number and number of students. So first we'll arrange the data in tabular form like this. We'll make a table. Marks, here the number of student and here इसका जो प्रोडक्ट है विल राइट हेयर. सो मार्क्स 5 मार्क्स, हाउ मेनी स्टूडेंट, 2 स्टूडेंट का, सो ये हो जाएगा 5 into 2 that is 10. Next 10 marks 7 student, 10 into 7, 12 into 4, 18 into 5 and 20 into 10 that is 200. Clear? So now we have to find out the mean. So mean क्या हो जाएगा, ये जो हमने किया था मल्टीप्लाई करके प्रोडक्ट निकाला था, इसका टोटल दैट इज एफ आई एक्स का जो है सिग्मा एफ आई एक्स आई दैट इज 656 डिवाइडेड बाय फ्रीक्वेंसी जो है उसका टोटल दैट इज 40, उससे डिवाइड करेंगे दैट इज 16.4. हैज द मीन मार्क्स ऑफ 40 स्टूडेंट इज 16.4. सो दिस इज हाउ वी कैन फाइंड आउट द मीन फॉर ग्रुप डेटा. नेक्स्ट इज एक्सरसाइज 3.1. Define the term. First is array. Array is arrangement of similar kind of data in the form of column or rows. That is known as array. Clear? So you have to practice all the questions of this exercise. We move to next topic. Next is median. Median of ungrouped data. First अनग्रुप डेटा के लिए करेंगे. मीडियन refers to the value which lies in the middle of the data when arranged in an increasing or decreasing order, with a half of the observation above it and other half below it. Clear? Finding the median of the data 24, 36, 46, 17, 18, 25, 35. Firstly, data to be arranged in ascending order. So first we'll arrange the data in ascending order. What is the median? Median is the middle observation. So 25 is the median because after that 3 numbers है and उससे पहले 3 numbers है. So this is the middle value. So 25 is the median. Clear? Next is note to remember. If the data has odd number of item, then the median is the middle value. If the data has even number of item, then the median is the mean of 2 middle numbers. We'll take an example. The score of a batsman in the last 9 innings are given below. So, find the median score. First, we'll arrange the data in ascending order like this, and then we'll find out the number of observation. So, number of observation 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 because 9 innings का है. So, that is 9. It is odd. So, in median first we have to find out whether the given number of observation are even or odd. So, here it is 9. So, median score that is 1 by 2, 9 plus 1 observation. ठीक है? 9 plus 1 that is 10 divided by 2 that is 5th observation. What is the 5th observation? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So, 25 is our median. Clear? Next is median of discrete series. So for that, first we arrange the term in ascending or descending order. Then prepare a cumulative frequency table. Now total the terms. Let total number of terms be n. If n is odd, then median equals to हो जाएगा size of n plus 1 divided by 2 term. If n is even, then median क्या हो जाएगा 1 by 2 size of n by 2 term plus size of n by 2 plus 1 term. We'll take an example. Find the median of following table. Here the variable and frequency are given. So first we'll prepare the culminative frequency table. Variable है frequency, culminative frequency क्या हो जाएगी, that is here 3, then 4 plus 3 7, then 4 plus 3 हमने यहाँ कर दिया था 7. Now we'll do 7 plus 6 that is 13, 13 plus 5, then that is 18, 18 plus 2 20, 20 plus 9 29, 29 plus 6 that is 35 which is odd. So median क्या हो जाएगा, odd number है, so n plus 1 upon 2 term that is 35 plus 1 upon 2 means 18 term. So 18 terms come under the culminative frequency 16. Clear? So 18 term किस में आ रहा है, Culminative frequency 16. That means 16 is the median of our data. Clear? Here 18th किस में आ रहा है? 16 पे, तो ये हो जाएगा median. Clear? Next is exercise 3.2. Find the median of following data. So first, arrange the data in ascending order. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 and 10. So number of observation 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. So number of observation are odd. So median equals to हो जाएगा n plus 1 upon 2 observation. 11 plus 1 upon 2, 12 upon 2. That means sixth observation. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Sixth observation is 5. So median क्या हो जाएगा? M equals to 5. Clear? Next is mode. The observation which occur most frequently in the data is called the mode. Means जो जितने ज़्यादा number of time repeat होता है, that is the mode. Or the value of the observation whose frequency is maximum. जिसकी frequency maximum हो means maximum number of time आया हो in data is called the mode of the data. Mode is not affected by the extreme value. Take an example. Find the mode of given data. So this is our data. First we'll arrange the number in frequency distribution table. So like this, we'll arrange the number. These are the variable 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So how many times 1 come? 3 times, so frequency 3. 2 5 times, so frequency is 5. 3 times, frequency is 3. 4 2 times, frequency is 2. 5 2 times, that is 2. So it is clear from the above data that 2 is occur maximum number of time, that is 5 times. So mode of the above data is 2. Clear? So this is the way we can find the mode. Next is exercise 3.3. Find the mode of the following data. So first we'll make the frequency table. Here the variable and telemarks and frequency. So what are the numbers? Starting from the 3. How many times 3 comes? 1, 2, 3. 3 times, so tell you jayega 3 and frequency is 3. Then comes number 4. How many times 4? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So write here 5. Next number is 5. So how many times 5 come? 1, 2, 3 and 4. So 3, 4. We'll write here number 4. Then next number is 6. How many times 6? 1. 6 comes 1 and 2 times. So write frequency 2. Then comes number 7. 7 comes 1 time only. So write here 1. Then number 8. How many times 8? 1. And number 2 is also there. So write here 2 comes only 1 time. So frequency is 1. So as we see from the table, number 4 comes 5 times with maximum number of times. So frequency here is 5. So mode of the given data is number 4, which comes maximum number of type, that is 5. So this is how we can find out mode of the given data. So you have to practice all the questions. Next is a bar graph. We have learned that the bar graph or column graph is a pictorial representation of numerical data in the form of rectangle bars of equal width but different height. These rectangles are drawn either vertically or horizontally, keeping equal space between them. The height of the rectangle depends upon the numerical value of the data. Bar graphs are generally used to show the comparison of marks of different subjects, sales or purchase of the item monthly, yearly, or to show the runs scored in different overs in cricket, etc. Next is method of construction a bar graph. So steps are: on the graph paper, draw a horizontal line OX and a vertical line OY. Mark different points at the equal interval along the x-axis and write the name of the data item whose value are to be plotted above these points. Choose a suitable scale by which you can draw bar of the given numerical value. Mark of all the heights parallel to the y-axis from the point taken in the step 2. On the x-axis, draw bars of equal width for height marked in step 4. These bars must be centered on the points marked on the x-axis. Now we'll take an example. Marks obtained by Divya in her annual examinations are given below. These are the subject Hindi, English, Science, Maths and Social Science. And marks obtained: Hindi 85, English 90, Science 98, Maths 95 and Social Science 75 marks. Clear? Draw a bar graph to represent the above data. So working steps are: on the graph paper, draw horizontal line OX and a vertical line OY. Along OX, write the name of the subject. Choose the scale 1 small division equals to 10 marks. So first we have to choose a proper scale to represent the data. So scale is 1 small division, that is equals to 10 marks. Now draw the bars of equal width and the various height according to marks obtained. Such as in Hindi 85 small division because marks कितने हिंदी में 85. English 90 small division, Science 98 small division. Maths 95 small division and Social Science 75 small division. So this is how we'll draw a bar graph. This is OX axis and this is Y axis, the vertical axis. Here on X axis we have taken the subject and here on Y axis we have taken the marks. Our scale is 1 centimeter equals to 10 marks. So according to scale, we'll write the numbers here, the marks here, and like Hindi 85 marks. So according to that we'll take the scale and इस तरीके से हम जो बार है वो ड्रॉ कर लेंगे. Clear? So like this we can draw the bar graph. Clear? Next is drawing double bar graph. Whenever we need to compare two datas in the same day or in same month or in same year or in other manner, then we draw the double bar graph. It will be more clear by following example. So we'll take an example. A science teacher wants to compare the marks of the half-yearly exam and annual exam of 5 students. Given below is the table shown marks. So here are the students. Here the name of students are given. These are their half-yearly marks and next the annual marks. So now we have to draw a double bar graph to compare their marks. Half-yearly and annual marks में comparison करना है. So solution, first we'll take the scale. Scale is 1 marks equals to 1 small division. Half-yearly को हम इस तरीके से show करेंगे and annual marks will show by this kind of bars. Clear? So on x-axis here we have taken the name of student like Vaishali, Vidit, Rahul, Naman and Vaibhav. Total 5 students. So that we have taken on x-axis. On y-axis we have taken the marks. scale is 1 marks, that is equals to 1 small division. Now we have to compare for the marks of Vaishali, half yearly and annual marks. In half yearly exam she got 80 marks and annual she got 95 marks. So here it is Vaishali. So first we will draw for half yearly like 80 marks. So we will mark here and draw the bars. और ये डिज़ाइन होगा because this is for half yearly. Then annual exam she got 95 marks. So here we will mark the 95s and we will draw the bars. Same for the other students. इस तरीके से हम हाफ ईयरली एंड एनुअल के जो है मार्क्स के अकॉर्डिंग बार्स ड्रॉ कर लेंगे. क्लियर? So it is clear from the above bar graph that all the students did progress except Rahul. So here we can see for all the students except Rahul, the annual graph bar जो है that has more height. Like here for Vaishali, अगर हाफ ईयरली एंड एनुअल का कंपेयर करें तो एनुअल का जो बार है that is more high, but in Rahul case the annual bar is lower than the half yearly, means in annual exam he got less marks than half yearly. Clear? Next is exercise 3.4. The marks obtained by Vidit in his half yearly examinations out of 100 are given below. So here the subject Hindi, English, Mathematics, Science and Social Science, and marks obtained by Vidit are given here. So for that this is x-axis and y-axis. On x-axis we will take subjects and y-axis marks, and we will take a suitable scale for that, and accordingly that we will draw the marks obtained by them in different subject. According to that we will draw the bar graph. Clear? So first you will take the scale and accordingly you will draw the bar graph. Clear? Practice all the questions of this exercise. Practice all these questions. Next is things to remember. A collection of numerical facts about an information is called data. Each numerical figure in the data is called an observation. Series of individual observation is called raw data. The number of times the variable occur in the data is called the frequency. The raw data can be converted into frequency distribution table, also known as discrete series. Collecting, recording and क्या है presentation. अच्छा. Collection, recording and presentation of data help us to organize our information and draw inference from them. Arithmetic mean, median and mode are representative value of the data, but their selection should be done judicially, depending upon the nature of the data and the purpose for which the average is required. A bar graph is pictorial representation of data using bars of equal width with the uniform space between them. Multiple bar graph help us to compare or more collection or at a glance. इस लाइन को वापस पढ़ते हैं. Multiple bar graph help us to compare two or more collection at a glance. Next is multiple choice questions. Take the correct option, the mean of the number of 10, 20, 30 and 40. So we have to find the mean of these numbers. So first we will find out what is the sum of these numbers. 10 plus 20, 30, 30, 30, 60 and 40 total 100. And number of observation 1, 2, 3, 4. 100 divided by 4. That is equals to 25. So option B is the correct answer. So here we end the chapter. I hope you understand the chapter well. Now to practice it.